Hello my dear sons and daughters, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the lesson Factors and Multiples in grade 6. So I invite you to subscribe my channel and also press on the bell icon. Then you can easily get my videos. First we'll talk about multiples. Multiples of a certain number can be obtained by multiplying it by whole numbers. First example, multiples of 2. First multiple of 2 can be obtained by 2 into 1. 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. Second multiple, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Third multiple, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Fourth multiple, 2 into 4 equal to 8. So, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6 and 8 respectively. There are some more multiples of 2. We can obtain them by doing the multiplication by a whole number. Second example, multiples of 3 can be obtained like this. First multiple, 3 into 1 equal to 3. Second multiple, 3 into 2 equal to 6. Third multiple, 3 into 3 equal to 9. Fourth multiple, 3 into 4 equal to 12. So, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and 12 respectively. A multiple of a certain number is divisible by that number. Example, multiples of 2 are divisible by 2. Multiples of 3 are divisible by 3. If a certain number is written as a product of two numbers, the first number is a multiple of both numbers. As an example, 12 equal to 4 multiplied by 3. So, 12 is a multiple of 4 and also a multiple of 3. First example, as 15 is divisible by 3 without a remainder, 15 is a multiple of 3. Second example, as 16 is not divisible by 3, 16 is not a multiple of 3. First example, price of a book is 25 rupees. Find the price of 6 such books. Is it a multiple of 6 and 25? Price of 6 books can be obtained by multiplying 25 rupees by 6, that is 150 rupees. 150 is a multiple of 6 and 25. Example 2. 60 students should be grouped into equal sized groups. Find the number of students that can be in one group. 60 can be written as a multiple of two numbers in 5 ways. 4 into 15, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 5 into 12 and 6 into 10. So, the number of students in one group can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20 and 30. Now we are going to learn about divisibility. If a number is divisible by 2, the last digit of the number should be one of the number out of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now let's do a small activity to identify this rule. Select the numbers divisible by 2 out of the given numbers. As the last digit is an even number, 236, 2780, 68,214 are divisible by 2. If the number is divisible by 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. Select the numbers divisible by 5 out of the given numbers. 460, 85, 295 are divisible by 5 as the last digit contains 0 or 5. If a number is divisible by 10, the last digit should be always 0. Select the numbers divisible by 10 out of the following numbers. 3790, 360 are divisible by 10 as the last digit is 0. Lesson is over now, so we'll meet from the next lesson soon. Goodbye to everybody.